Alright, YouTube. So I'm still waiting over here at the brewery. It's been a couple hours. I got here like 10 of 8. It's now 11 o'clock. Still waiting to get a door assignment and everything else. But I just wanted to talk to you about Sweet for a little bit. I just got another email this morning saying that they're still looking for new drivers. I mean, as with most companies. So, but there's who I'm with now. I've been here a couple months. I'm really enjoying it. Good equipment. Pays good. I'm regional, so I'm home every weekend, which I wanted. They do have regional and over-the-road positions. Like 80% dropping hook or so. I mean, they're a good company. I've been enjoying them so far. My DM, he's great. Tim, if you ever see this, what's up, buddy? And yeah, I mean, I got a couple cards here from Sweet. Great benefits, day one, driver, trainer, salaried, CPM plus bonuses, over the road and regional, top cents per mile, 75%, sorry, so I had it wrong. Drop and hook, easy to understand pay, paid stop, layover, breakdown, detention, all that, what you'd expect. Newer equipment, pet and rider policy, we have all the miles you need. Sweet-omni.com. And this is just a referral. If you want to talk to somebody and tell them who referred you, this is who it is. My name is Michael V. And I'm in truck 9609. And there's a phone number there. The recruiter who recruited me and who's in charge of recruiting for everybody, his name is Nick. Great guy, super friendly, easy to talk to. You can either call him there, 616-241-9200, extension 155, or email him there. Sweet, there's also a fax number and all that there. But I mean, yeah, I recommend this company. I'm really enjoying it here. I could foresee myself being here a while. At the time that I signed up, they had a $5,000 sign-on bonus. I'm sure they're still doing that. If not, they're gonna up it more. We're getting all kinds of new accounts and dedicated and so on and so forth. I just got an email about it, like I said, this morning. So if you guys are thinking about doing it, you want a good company, they don't micromanage you. They have front-facing cameras here, but no rear-facing cameras. I'm governed at 72 miles per hour, so that is great. Really like that. That's one of the things I didn't really consider when I signed on, but it's been a great perk for me. Automatics and manuals. Kenworth T680, Freightliner Cascadia, and International LT. Most of them have the Cummins engines. Yeah, man, I'm really enjoying it. The equipment is good. Nice sleeper, as you can see. I mean, you can't really see, but I got a TV, refrigerator, you know, the whole nine. Yeah, man, this is it. I really think you guys should, if you're thinking about coming to a different van company that's not the Swift or you know, a JB Hunt or something like that, Sweet is the way to be. They're a smaller company. They're based out of Grand Rapids, but they run the lower 48. You know, they, like I said, they do regional and they do over the road stuff. So whatever your preference, no matter where you're at, we can got something that, you know, that'll probably fit you. So yeah, and that's about it. Like I said, here's the stuff. It says it all on the website, or if you talk to a recruiter, they'll tell you all that. But again, my name is Mike, or Michael V, and I'm in truck 9609. If you want to refer me, that would be awesome. Nick will hook you up. Here he is again. If you want to pause the video, take a look at that. There you go. Nick Caputo. Anyway, once we get rolling here, I get a door assigned, and we'll catch back up with you. But I just wanted to update you on that. Talk about that for a second. So